Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to change your address on Revolut, updated for 2025. Whether you've moved or need to update your details, this guide will help you do it quickly and securely. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and log in. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This opens your account settings. Step 3. Select personal details or profile. Here you'll see your registered address and other info. Step 4. Tap on the address field to edit it. Enter your new address carefully, including street, city, postal code, and country. Step 5. Save your changes. Revolut may ask you to verify your identity by uploading a document or selfie. Follow the prompts. Step 6. Wait for confirmation. Once approved, your new address will be updated in your account. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.